case you get some data in this format where these cells are blank, but you know that Central will be written in these cells, Jones will be written in these cells, East in these, Anderson here, Chan here. We know that, but cells are blank. Can we analyze this data? Can we put a filter? No. For any kind of analysis in Excel, we need complete data, data which is Excel friendly. So how to fill in these cells on some clicks instead of doing it manually? And this is a smaller data set, so you can still invest 2 minutes and do this. But in case you have big data sets and this is the issue you have these blank cells where the value from the upper cell will be placed, but how to do that? So guys, there is one function called go to spatial, this capability in Excel. Click on that, it gives you a pop-up. Here you will click on blank and press OK. So what it is doing, it is selecting all the blank cells in your data. Now don't do anything, just press equal to and give the reference of above cell and press Control Enter. So it will fill all the blank cells with the value in the above cell. So this is a functionality to clean the data, or I would say to fix the data, so that we can analyze this data, we can use this data, and we can actually use filters on this data. So this is one function which is used for making the data Excel friendly.